next up is Cathie Wood. Some investment stuff. Cathie Wood has been on everyone's mind lately. Ark Invest has had a pretty rough couple of weeks with the sell-off in tech, but this is the time where she's been doubling down. She came out and said she is not worried at all about the recent drop in her funds, and she said the bull market is simply just starting to broaden to include more strategies like value. She said that they use this as an opportunity to buy a lot more stocks. And right now, she said the market is broadening out. And we think in an underlying sense, the bull market is strengthening. And that will continue to, and that will play to our benefit over the longer term. She goes on to explain that we are getting great opportunities in the sell-off to buy pure play names. And when we get opportunities like this to invest in pure plays instead of more mature plays, we will move back into pure plays. She said we are adding more and we are becoming more and more optimistic about our portfolios in this sell-off. She doesn't think the stock's going to double over 5 years now. She thinks they're going to triple. And they've been adding a lot to their portfolio recently. Just the other day, they had their biggest single day of gains ever, more than 10%. That was the largest single day the fund has ever had. And mainly driven by companies like Tesla, which was up 20%, Zoom, which was up 10%, Palantir, which was up 8%. All those stocks, they've taken massive hits, but those are what drove Ark Invest to have a day that was over 10% in gains. And this is really big news. Like, Ark Invest has been buying a lot of DraftKings, a lot of Beam Therapeutics, Fate Therapeutics, PayPal. In total, they've been purchasing hundreds of millions of dollars worth of stock over the last couple of days, last couple of weeks as the market's been down, and they're not worried about it. They think it's just great opportunities. And if you are looking at investing something long-term, like I do own a lot of Ark Invest simply because I don't have to worry about it. I could just put money in there, forget about it for years, know it's being managed by Cathie Wood. Ark Invest is being professionally managed. And it's just nice when you can put money into an investment, not worry about it, and see the kind of growth that they've been seeing over the last couple of years. If it does what it did the last 5 years, the next 5 years, well, the last 5 years, it was up 550% ARKK. So if we see that again the next 5 years, yeah, like that is something. Who would pass up on 5-6xing their money in 5 years and just not worrying about it? Just put your money in, forget about it. So Cathie Wood, Ark Invest, has been doing better. She's not worried about it at all. Some major firms were starting to get worried, saying, Cathie Wood, she's lost it. The fund is, not going to go anywhere, but they're bouncing back, just like all the other tech stocks that have been seeing a pretty big hit.